Have you ever wondered what's happening in the stock market while you're still sleeping or sipping your morning coffee? The answer lies in the opening hours of the market, and I'm here to break it down for you. The stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, ET, on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. However, it's not just a simple morning routine. The market opening is a complex process that involves various factors and stakeholders. For instance, the opening bell marks the start of trading on these two major exchanges, but other markets like the American Stock Exchange, AMEX, and the International Securities Exchange, ISE, have slightly different schedules. In 2026, the market opening hours have become increasingly important due to the growing presence of retail investors. With the rise of mobile trading apps and online brokerages, individual investors can now easily buy and sell stocks from anywhere in the world. This has led to a surge in pre-market and after-hours trading volumes.